from the pop-up studios of, don't drink that. Please.
Yeah, we'll cheers each other before we drink.
I can't work like this.
They're back!
Coming to you nearly live from the pop-up Beer to Whiskey studios on the brewing floor of Southernside Brewery in glorious Greenville, South Carolina. I'm Russ Heaps, and welcome to this episode of, Southernside Brewery. This will be our first brewery visit episode since COVID. So,
That's sick.
welcome back. And where we were
Back
supposed
to the original purpose of the show.
Yeah, and sadly, the brewery that we had on our schedule to do once COVID hit is no longer in business. So, which is too bad. But anyway, I'm sitting here on the opposite end of the dais with my good buddy, Big John Richards, our beer whisperer and certified cicerone, sitting immediately to my left. Your right.
Your score
Is Brett Terrapin, and next to him is Ben Jones. See, I almost effed it up. So, guys, what are your responsibilities here?
Wait,
Cheers.
We haven't brought that up yet. What are you
Cheers.
I don't care. I'm
He's
dry.
ready. He's ready.
Texas and Miss Lily.
Brett tried to
Cheers.
start drinking 15 minutes ago.
I've lost all control.
Communicates.
Back to your question, responsibilities, what do we do here?
Yes. If you were to have a business card with your title on it, what would it say?
Brewers.
Brewers and
Yeah.
all tasks, packaging, cleaning, keg washing, brewing, recipes, ordering. That is,
Everything but the owners.
Yeah. Well, the kind of neat thing about what we do is we kind of run everything from the time we mash in grain until it pours out of the tap. Everything in between. Unlike one of the big breweries, we actually kind of get to get our hands on everything.
Yeah.
jack of all trades, if you will.
Yep.
Well, that's
Keeps it fresh.
It does keep it fresh.
and I believe it would give you some degree of job security.
Yeah. Absolutely. That's the
Yeah.
idea.
Well, there you go. See,
the idea.
see, John has that kind of job security with me. Yes. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be doing this.
We've got to protect our phony baloney job, gentlemen. We must do something about this immediately.
Tell me a little bit about your beers. What is there something you specialize in? I know we have. What do we have in our glass right now?
Right now we have a meticulously.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Which is a lager beer. Pretty low hops. We kind of try to find a balance between the noble hop bitterness and Pilsner malt. You know, for me,
I think it's really, actually, we didn't get to try this one last time I was here with these guys, but I like this quite a bit, guys. It's nice and bready and smooth, that little front end sweetness and a little tiny bit of spice on the finish.
Yeah.
Not picking up a lot of fruit or really any
Yeah.
fruit, which is nice. It's super clean. It's really easy. That is refreshing as it can be.
And it's-
Well done.
it's-
Yeah.
Ben Jam and Special, this is his recipe.
Excellent. Yeah.
well, golf applause.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it too because it's a little dry in the finish, and it's one of those beers that makes you want to take another sip.
Yeah. Come on back to it.
And I'm weak, so I'm going to do that.
a lot of Hellas beers that I've had that I didn't have enough of that bitterness on the finish, so
Yeah.
it kind of stayed with you a little bit too long.
Yeah.
I didn't want to do that.
It wants to be super crisp.
Yeah.
So talk about the rest of your program. You guys do a lot of different kinds of beer.
Yeah, we kind of have a set array of core beers that we run through and that we try to keep on for a lot of our regular customers.
Rattle off a couple of those.
Stranglehold.
Can't
our-
see.
Yeah, those are two hazy IPAs. We have, and what are the other ones?
Coconut porter. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right.
That rings my bell.
Jesus.
Yeah.
We have a Kolsch,
Yep.
cream ale,
Yep.
dry Irish stout. It's actually
Dry Irish stout. Yeah.
Stays on?
Stays
Yeah.
on year round. Yep. That one
Yeah.
does pretty well. We have that on nitro too. So.
And then you guys have all kinds of other specialty beers that you do. I've seen Box
Yeah.
up there. I've seen Imperial Stout. I've seen Westies. I've seen some pre-prohibition stuff.
And that kind of comes in like we have a lager program here too that we like to. We have 4 or 5 different lagers we like to kind of rotate in.
Yep.
For a little variety, you know, and
This
we like
being
to
one
drink.
of them.
Yeah, this being one of them. We like to drink different beers, not the same beers all the time.
So how many do you have on tap usually at any given time?
16, yeah, 15.
Oh, that's a healthy
Yeah.
selection.
And how often do you brew?
Every day.
Every day?
Basically Tuesday through Friday, sometimes Monday. We brewed today.
Yeah.
Brewers tears today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, you know.
seltzer.
Still counts. The system
Somebody's
was turned off.
Somebody's gonna drink it.
Yeah,
For sure.
give the people what they want.
They were brewing seltzer today.
You gotta do it. Though. You gotta do it.
Oh, my God.
Gluten-free. It's gluten-free,
It's
right?
gluten-free.
Yeah, that's right.
So you guys are normally, we happen to be here on a Monday, but you guys typically are closed on Mondays. It's just it's the holiday
It's the
season.
holiday season.
It's the holiday season.
It's a miracle is what it's called.
Yeah.
We could turn the
Ah.
cameras, you'd see all.
I did
Christmas
see all the
decorations
different things that said something about Miracle
Yeah.
at Southernside or something.
That's
Yeah.
the big thing that we do every December, end of November, going into Christmas, and we have all these decorations and stuff.
Yeah,
that
you
people
guys are
fly
really
in for.
decorated up.
Yes.
And we're open on Mondays for it. Yeah, we do well in December, which is kind of the opposite of what you would expect.
Yeah.
Massive option, yes.
So I noticed that you've got a bowling alley.
Yes, that is a new
It's
addition.
a recent addition.
Really?
February of this year.
Yeah.
Or is that something that you've got to reserve, or do you just come in and if they're open, you bowl?
Walk in. I mean, weekends might be wise to reserve that, but yeah, weekdays for sure. You can
Yeah.
Walk in. Arcade, do all kinds of fun things.
Pool table.
Pool table over there. Yep.
Got some fun stuff.
Yeah.
Some entertainment to be had.
Yeah, there's some carnival games,
Besides
skee ball and stuff like that in there. It's good stuff. Yeah.
all right.
A little place to run around.
It is.
Yeah, and it's helped our beer sales too. I mean,
Oh, I'm sure.
because that wall that is now the bowling alley used to be a whole other business expanded.
Yeah.
So we can fit a lot more people in here.
Yeah.
More beer to be brewed.
You've got a kitchen?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Big
We have a
kitchen.
kitchen, yes.
Yeah.
What's the menu kind of like?
It recently just changed.
Yep. Focusing on more smoked foods at this point. But yeah, I mean, he fires that smoker up every week.
Every week, yeah. Andrew's out there doing the thing.
Yep. It's full kitchen. I mean, it's good stuff.
When does this place open? Do you know?
2020.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And you guys both came from other breweries. I'd love for you guys to talk a minute about
Yeah.
your history, where you came from, your brewing kind of pedigree.
Started professionally brewing in 2014 or 15 at Thomas Creek. Was there for a couple years. Started there washing kegs, volunteering washing kegs. I was working at a gas station at the time. It was QT. It was pretty sick. It was Chick-fil-A.
Cool.
I don't think we're allowed to say brand names.
Oh, sorry.
You're done.
It was a nice gas station. They gave me a 401k. It was pretty sweet. So then, I started volunteering washing kegs at Thomas Creek. Their keg washer left, so I got offered a job for a massive pay cut, but I just wanted to be in the industry. So I did that for maybe a year. And then someone left or got fired. I don't fully remember. So I got a brewing job at Thomas Creek. Then that's where I met Sean Johnson, who's the owner of Birds Fly South. So I went there after that. I was the head brewer there for 6 years. Yeah, RP. I was the head brewer at Birds Fly South for 6 years. And started here February 13th of 2023. So I'm going on 3 years here.
I shot an episode with Thomas Creek.
Did you?
Oh yeah, probably
cool.
5-6 years ago. And I can't
Yeah.
remember. I can't remember now the name of the other guy that was in it with me.
I got my professional start at Fireforge.
Oh,
over
we
on
did
Washington
a
Street.
segment there too.
Yeah, they're great people. Before that, I was cooking and home brewing. Kind of was my hobby, you know. while I was cooking. So I just decided to, see if I could get into a brewery and work my way up. So I went to Brian, the owner over at Fire Forge, and basically said, "Hey, I'll cook in your kitchen if you throw me on the brew floor every now and then." It's kind of got the things rolling. The brewer there left, and I kind of moved into that spot. And about 2 years ago, I came to Southernside, and we've been going since.
Rocking and rolling.
Yep,
Rocking and rolling.
rocking and rolling.
I love it. I love what you guys have done with the program here. The beer's become really mature, refined, and I'm glad I got a chance to come down a month or so ago and really taste the beers down here
Always
properly.
glad
And
to
they're
have you.
some really good stuff. So give these guys a look-see if you haven't in a little while. It's
Yeah.
good stuff happening here.
Greatly appreciate
Thank
beer
you.
enthusiast.
Yeah.
Or
That's what we do.
enjoys pub ale.
Yeah.
We're not so much enthusiasts as we are drunks. So
We have to. I'm a coach. I'm just being a coach.
It just looks so tasty.
Our Therm Pro overlord over there is going to start yelling at us if we don't wrap this thing up. So
we got to kind of
We
close
gotta-
this out. So, guys, appreciate your time.
Appreciate
Thanks
you.
for sitting
Absolutely.
in, and great to get to know you. You and I have known each other for a year or two now, and never really talked at all. We've talked more here than we have in a year and a half, probably.
GBX is busy, man.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
know,
keeps
I
it rolling.
know.
We're hustling.
So, with that,
Ben works with us too, right?
You look familiar, as do you.
yeah.
Just on other days.
Yeah,
Yes,
just
yes.
daytime and some nighttime and stuff too. But we're all just sharing each other's burdens here.
outstanding. Well, let's wrap her up.
Let's do it.
Cheers,
Guys,
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
damn lucky.
Glad to be here.
See you next time.